Eyewitness News at 10.
Good evening and thanks for watching the Eyewitness News. I'm Mike McDaniel. There are some signs of normalcy on the West Bank 3 days after a tornado left behind some damage and a path of destruction. Alyssa Curtis shows us how neighbors are anticipating the simple things and appreciating them as well, like just being able to grocery shop.
Wednesday night, this Winn-Dixie in Marrero looked extremely different. The roof was collapsed in and there were barely any cars in the parking lot. It actually seemed like it would stay that way for quite some time, but much to the community's surprise, just 3 days later and the grocery store is back open for business. Oh my God!
It was a harrowing experience for everyone in the area.
West Bank residents are still shaken up. Wednesday's tornadoes collapsed Winn-Dixie's roof. Many were worried about how and where they'd shop.
I almost cried.
Yes.
Because I don't go to Walmart. And that's the next closest store.
Yes.
Then Rouse's is on Ames and La Palco. And that's a good little ways for me.
But 3 days later, and it's open, much to the community's surprise.
And we was just passing here, and we looked, and my husband said, "Are they open?" I said, "I see baskets. I see people with baskets." He said, "Well, I'm not going to Rouse's. I'm going right there."
Most of the damage was on the outside. Winn-Dixie installed a new entrance. The aisles intact and stocked. Community members are grateful for the work put in to open so quickly.
Just grateful that, things weren't as bad as they could have been. And that they did open up, and thinking about the people in the community, they opened up quickly enough so people could still patronize and get the things they needed for the holidays.
It makes it feel like home. That's what the community is about. That's what's the best part about living on the West Bank.
Thankful they're able to do one more normal thing in the midst of recovering from the disaster.
And again, thank you guys.
Alyssa Curtis, Eyewitness News.
So glad they got back open. According to our partners at the Times-Picayune New Orleans Advocate, the store is open regular hours, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Permanent fixes to the building will be made in the coming weeks.